Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we are working on a series of videos making alternates using the Lovely Lavender January 2024 paper pumpkin kit. Okay, we are on project number 7, video number 6. So let's go over our buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our February Sweet Springtime Paper Pumpkin Kit. You have until the 10th of February to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit. There's a link in the description box below for you to do that. This kit is going to make 9 projects. Early Espresso is the stamping spot. And we have the Love of Spring dies add-on, 4 dies for $12. And that is the ordering number 164396. We have our mystery boxes. These are the boxes that I have filled with new and used, all retired Stampin' Up product. I'm asking $25 for each box. It is a medium flat rate USPS box, so the boxes are kind of big and I have them jammed packed. Okay, the $25 includes shipping. I can only ship in the US. stampwithshana@gmail.com is my email for you to request a box or ask any questions you may have. January host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this code because you're going to get Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up. And again, we are in celebration right now. So if you have any orders you would like to place, $50 or more, we'll get you some free product out of the celebration brochure. So let's get started on project number 7. We have a card base here of 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and this is thick basic white. I've gone ahead and put our inside in. It's using some Lost Lagoon at 5 by 3 3/4 with some basic white 3.5 by 4 3/4 with some of this soft shimmer specialty paper. Okay, so let's get started on our project here. This is a no stamping project, so I have a piece of that soft shimmer paper. It's Lost Lagoon. It's 4 by 5 1/4. Then a piece of our card front from the kit is 3 3/4 by 5 because I wanted a lot of that shimmer to show. I've added tear tape on the back of this so that it will stick very well to this shimmer. Softly shimmer or soft shimmer. Can't remember the exact name. Okay, let me make sure my flowers are going the right direction. And this is going to have a nice border, just like that. We're going to get some glue and glue this onto our card front, to our card base rather, because this is the card front. Okay, right side up. That just like that. Then we have another piece here from our kit. This is one of the strips that they provided in the kit. We're going to glue that down right here in the center of our card, just like that. Then I'm going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. Where did I put them? Right here next to me. And I've gone ahead and punched out a heartfelt hexagon punch using the what is this? Basic white. Lord, my words are not wording today. So I put 5 dimensionals on that. Again, heartfelt hexagon punch. You can find that in our mini catalog, the January to April 2024 mini catalog. And we're just going to sit this right in the center of that strip we laid down. Okay, this is going to be a quick and easy card. I went ahead and die cut using those add-on dies for the paper pumpkin kit, the word love, out of the soft shimmer. And I've put it on some adhesive sheet so that we can make a sticker out of it. So let's take it out of here. Ooh. Pop out, get my take your pick tool, pop those pieces out of there. I say this is going to be a quick video, but it's taking me a while to get things popped out of here. One more little tiny piece by the O. Okay. It should come out when I release the backing. Of this adhesive sheet. Ooh. Did it? No, it didn't come off. Ooh. Okay, so now let's go ahead and lay this down right across our what is this? Our punch. Oh, and I think I was supposed to stamp the word with right here. Let me see if I can do it. If I can't, we might have to repunch that. So I have the word with and gorgeous grape. We're just gonna, oh, with love. I did it. I knew, I was like, I didn't think I designed any with no stamping. Okay, so that is our card, project number 7, video number 6. Be sure to come back for our last video in this series, okay? That's it, that's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.